Hello everybody, my name is Marlene Alvarado and I will show you how you can create your own link in bio like this in your own website made in WordPress. Yes, under your domain, so all the organic traffic on Google is for you, and also you don't need to pay any fee monthly. So let's start, and don't forget, read the description on this video when you get all the information for get ready. The first step is going to your website made in WordPress and add the plugin, add new, blank, slate. So it's the first here. It has like a 20,000 installation. Activate, and then going to page and add new page. The title is very important that you put something about SEO, and maybe depends what you do. In my case, I will put expert in SEO, right? And then here, well, I show you, exit. Sometimes appear like this or sometimes appear like oh. Well, how you come back to two states, you can go here and you see here in editor, you can put visual that is right now or code editor, right? Visual or code editor. This is in the stress point. But what we use for today is code editor. From now we need code editor. So go in there, open your notepad when you have the code of the package. In that case, I open View Standard, copy page, hold, and paste. Ensure that everything is okay to paste it, and update, and view in another window. Let's see. And you see, now doesn't look like a linking view. What happened? What we need to go is here, looking for this page, called spare in SEO, in that case is here, and going here, quick edit, click, and go in template, put blank slate. That's the plugin that we need, that's what we download. Update, and now I'm going to edit. So edit, update, and refresh the page. See, boom. You see, now you have your own linking bio. That you need to do is go in exit code. If you don't have this, so you can go here. Remember? Now it's in Visual Editor. Now just start to replace. Make sure that measure and exactly like the size of your photos are exactly like this. For example, here is 189, sorry, 98 with weight ahead. Right here, just replace for it. Or you already have this image different for going to my media library, or I learn one here is you have in your PC. My case I already have ready, and the same issue. You see the same measures that important here. So select, and you have this. Then you can customize this, entrepreneur, whatever you want, right? You also can change the color. Mhm. You want to change the color here. Maybe the color is better like this. And start to customize. The measure of this, you just go here, going to replace, open in media library, and you see here. This is the measure. You want another part, another picture there, going, this is 1004 by 400. See it here. So just replace whatever you need, and this is our social media button. As you can see, maybe you don't have LinkedIn. So what you do is sign up here, press remove LinkedIn. Maybe you have your email and your email you want to appear next to your Twitter. So what you do is here first, move. First, maybe you don't have Twitter, so in here and remove it. And it's up to you how you change the link, like just. Well, you only can change the order, also you can change the link, of course, right? So in that case, just go and, click on what you want to change and delete. Mhm. I have another here, for example, and just put like this and change it. That's it. Always update and already change it. Mhm. Customize everything. You can customize this. Can put, I don't know, maybe I like more like this, and the text Y, for example, and then you can see refresh. Mhm. And then you can change and customize your buttons in your institutional colors, right? Also the text here, your brand, and here click here for edit your new links, right? Put your company link, company here. That's it, and you replace it. You also can change the order. Here, for example, I want this here. Okay, let's click here, and I'm going here. Up, 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 and I want here. That is here. Okay. Now I'm this. I want to move down at the end. See, and maybe you wanna delete. Okay, delete. Click, going here, and remove the button. Wanna delete this. Remove the button. And that's it. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, and you will ready to have your own LinkedIn bio. You also can add more buttons, right? What you do, just sign this, go in the three button here and put duplicate. And then you just delete and put your new text, right? And your new link. And that's it. Then you just, according to your taste and you decide what appear in your own LinkedIn bio.